there! Welcome back to OneClick Code Academy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to calculate permit fees accurately for residential roofing projects using OneClick Code. Permit fees can vary by jurisdiction, and getting them wrong can delay your job, create disputes, or throw off your estimate. OneClick Code simplifies the process by calculating the correct fee based on your project details, location, and local regulations. Our permit fee calculator is now available nationwide, so you can use it for residential roofing projects across the country. Let's get started. On your dashboard, go to Projects and click on Create Project. Enter the address you want to work with, and once your desired address pops up, click Submit. You'll now be inside your project. To calculate permit fees for this address, you'll first need to unlock full access. Scroll down and click Unlock under Building Code Detail, then hit Submit. Since this calculator is specifically for residential roofing projects, make sure you select Residential when prompted. Choose the roof type that applies to your project, then click Submit again to generate your full report. Scroll down to the Estimating Calculator section and click Calculate under Permit Fee. This will take you to the Permit Fee Calculator page. For the purpose of this walkthrough, I'll enter sample values, but make sure to use the actual numbers from your project to ensure an accurate calculation. Project value, this is the total estimated amount your customer expects to pay for the job. For material cost, enter the total cost of materials for the project, and on roof size, input the size of the roof in squares. Then select the material type, choose from 3-tab, dimensional, or shake asphalt. Once the fields are filled in, click Calculate. You'll see the calculated permit fee appear on the right side of your screen under Total. Our calculator supports both common fee structures: valuation-based fees, where your permit fee is based on your project value and materials, and fixed or flat fees, where a jurisdiction charges a set amount. No matter the structure, OneClick Code will do the math for you automatically. Above the total, you'll see options to apply city use tax, county use tax, or both. Selecting the correct option ensures your permit fee includes the appropriate local tax rates, so your estimate matches what's actually required. I'll select city use tax as an example. Once you've made your selections, click Create Report to generate a downloadable PDF that includes the full permit fee breakdown. You'll now have access to your residential permit fee report. You can also download the report as a PDF by clicking the download icon at the top of the report preview. This detailed report includes the property address and the authority having jurisdiction, applicable sales tax rates, property details like property type, project value, material cost, and roof size. And of course, the full permit fee section showing the calculated fee, selected taxes, and the final total. This is exactly the kind of documentation that helps reduce disputes, improve accuracy, and support your project estimate as part of the claim review process from the very beginning. With OneClick Code, you're not guessing. You're working with verified jurisdiction data and automated calculations based on real project inputs. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your free trial with OneClick Code today. See you next time.